Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get an aesthetically pleasing iPhone using the new updated iOS 14. So we're going to first start off by downloading the Widgetsmith app. I'm also going to be re-downloading the Shortcuts app provided by Apple. If you already have it, you don't have to worry about that. Once those are downloaded, we are simply just going to go back to the home screen and hold an icon down until it says Edit Home Screen. And we're doing this because we want to move all of the icons on the home page to any other page after. We want the first page to be blank, filled with no icons. My home screen is now clear. This is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm just going to go into Pinterest, and this is where I'm going to find my screen wallpaper as well as my icon photos. So the first thing that I'm going to do is find my desired wallpaper that I want. I'm just going in and saving the images to my photos. I do want to apologize in advance for not being able to show you guys my whole screen. I'm going to try my hardest to be very detailed with the specific apps that I showed you guys in the beginning on where certain things are located. Once your photos are downloaded and your wallpaper is set, we're now going into the Over app. You guys can't see it, but at the bottom of the screen, it's a yellow plus sign. You want to click that yellow plus sign and then click Image. After that, we're just going to hit all photos, and this is where you're going to go in and pick what photo you want to resize to fit your icon image for your home screen. After it's done being downloaded, it's going to take you to the sizing ratio, and we're doing a 1:1 or a square size. After that, you're just going to save it and repeat the process for all the other icons you want to achieve this for. Now we're going to customize our icons using the Shortcuts app. So when you open it, it's going to be a plus sign in the top right hand corner. After, you're going to click Add Actions, and this is going to take you to where you're going to type in Open Apps. Once you see it on your screen, you're just going to click it. Okay, so now we're just going to click choose, and then after that, it's going to take you to all of your apps that is on your phone. You're simply just going to select whatever app you would like. I chose FaceTime. After that, we're clicking the three dots in the right hand side, and this is going to take you to where you're going to name whatever you would like to name it. Click Add to Home Screen, and it's going to take you to where you're going to rename it again. After you do that, next to it is a small icon. Once you click that, it's going to give you the option to upload a photo. Okay, this is the photo I'm going to be using. After that, we're going to click Add, then Done. After, it should be on your home screen. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Now I'm going to hold onto the icon and drag it to the empty home screen that we created. Okay, so we're going to hold down on the icon again, and then at the top left of the corner, you're going to see a plus sign. This is going to bring you to this screen, and this is where your widgets are, as well as like the calendar, the time, the weather, your reminder, your to-do list, your notes, all of these things you can put onto your screen. I'm simply just testing it out, but throughout the video, you'll see that I don't actually use the clock that I am showing you guys. I'm going to opt for a better alternative through the Widget app. Okay, so now we're just going to be moving that to the first page and playing with it a little bit. After that, we're going to release it and then hold down on the icon again until we see that plus sign in the top left hand corner. Once you click on that, this is going to pop up, and I'm going to just add my reminders. Now for reminders, I have my thankful reminders, and then I have my affirmation. So I'm just going to add that to my screen. So now I'm just going to be deleting that clock because I don't really like it. I'm going to opt for what Widgetsmith has. They have more of an aesthetically pleasing feel that I'm going for. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing that right now. Okay, so you guys see they have a small, medium, and large. You just click whatever your heart desires. I click the small. And I thought this was pretty cool. By clicking the add time widget, I'm guessing it allows you to put what time you want the widget to show up on your screen. I didn't opt for this, but I wanted to show you guys how diverse and versatile this is. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, it says style, font, intent, color. This is when the details matter, the small details. This is when it matters. But no, seriously, you guys, have fun, go crazy, do what you want. I'm just showing you guys all the things that this app has to offer. Okay, then click background color, and I chose the color cream, but look at all these colors you get to pick from. So many. Okay, pick your color and tap out of this. Once you see this screen, make sure you save it. If not, you will not be able to do the next following step, which is going back on your home page and holding it, clicking edit home, pressing the plus button in the left hand side. Okay, find the small Widgetsmith, but as you guys can see, they have multiple options, large, medium, and small, but we're doing small since that's what we just created. And as you can see, it gave me this one, but it's okay. All you have to do is tap it, click small number 2, and click whatever number you created. I did small number 1, and here it is on my screen. And if you want a medium or a large Widgetsmith, it's the same exact concepts. But now I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve these pictures inside of my Widgetsmith. So we're just going to open the app once again. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to click widgets, scroll down, click add small widgets, and then you're going to click small number 7 or whatever your number is called, and then default widgets, and up under styles, you're going to scroll until you see photo, and this is where we're going to upload our specific photo that we want. Okay, so we're going to click it again so we can save this. Click save at the top right. Then we're going to exit out of here and go to our home screen. Then we will hold down an icon until we get to edit the home screen once again, and then click the plus sign at the top left of your screen. All right, so this should pop up. You're going to scroll until you see small widget. Click it, and then boom. Okay, so now we're going to change the photo to the photo of our desires. So click edit widget, and it's going to take you to this screen. Click small number 2, and then click whatever your photo is up under. For me, it's small number 7. And here we have it, boom. So now I'm just gonna play with the screen a little bit to adjust my apps to how I would like them, and you guys will see what I ended up with. Okay, and here we go. Here's my final updated iOS 14. Look at it, it's beautiful. So on my home screen, I just have my thankful daily reminders that I give thanks for, as well as the apps that I use on a regular. Then I have this beige with my affirmations and all the other apps that I use on a regular. Then on the next slide is my black, which is all my social media apps that I use. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, here we have red. Now this is all of my YouTube apps. Then as we keep going, here is my finance app, and I use the color green, or like this pistachio color. I just love it so much. All right, and that is it. You guys comment down below what color scheme is your favorite. Right now I'm feeling this pistachio green. Also comment if you have any questions, but until then, I guess I will talk to you guys later.